What if half your daily busy work just did itself while you grabbed coffee? These 7 AI tools quietly handle the work you hate doing. I'm counting down from 7 and saving the best for last. Most are free or cheap, and you can start today. Stick around, because number 3 is the one I use every single day. Number 7, Zapier. Number 7 is Zapier, the glue that connects all your apps. It moves data between tools automatically, no coding required. Imagine new emails turning into tasks, spreadsheets, and Slack pings instantly. Set it once, and it runs silently in the background forever. Number 6, Otter.ai. Number 6 is Otter, your tireless meeting note taker. It joins your calls and transcribes every word in real time. Then, it spits out clean summaries and action items automatically. You never have to frantically scribble during a meeting again. Number 5, ChatGPT. Number 5 is ChatGPT, the all-purpose assistant you already know. It drafts emails, rewrites reports, and brainstorms ideas in seconds. Feed it your rough notes and watch polished writing appear instantly. It's like having a writer on call 24/7. Number 4, Notion AI. Number 4 is Notion AI, where all your work lives and organizes itself. It summarizes long docs and turns messy notes into clear plans. Ask it to find anything across your workspace in seconds. Your scattered thoughts become a tidy second brain automatically. Number 3, Make. Number 3 is Make, and it's the one I use every single day. It builds powerful visual automations with branching logic and conditions. I auto-sort leads, send invoices, and update databases without lifting a finger. Once you see the canvas, you'll automate things you never imagined. Number 2, Fireflies CRM Agents. Number 2 is AI sales agents that update your CRM for you. Tools like Fireflies log calls, then autofill contact records. No more forgetting who said what or losing a hot lead. Your pipeline stays perfectly updated while you focus on closing. Number 1, Custom GPT Agents. Number 1 is building your own custom AI agents. These run multi-step tasks on their own, start to finish. Tell one to research, write, and email a report, and it just does it. This is the closest thing to cloning yourself at work. So there you have it. 7 tools to automate the work you dread. Start with just one this week and feel the time come back. If this helped, smash that subscribe button for more AI breakdowns. Drop a comment telling me which tool you're trying first.